Wonders they say shall never end. Yes, so earlier on today, remember I shared with you a video of a lady called Comfort Bliss GH, where she was sharing a story of how her boyfriend actually dumped her to take another lady to the altar after she spent a lot of money on him. The guy has finally reacted. I'm going to give you guys the details shortly after this particular break. Yes, as you already know, as they always say, if for you to be a judge of a particular issue, you have to hear two sides of the story. We heard the side of the lady, now it's the turn of the guy. So the guy actually reacted by having an interview with one lady who is actually a Facebooker, or let me say a social commentator on Facebook called Yaira, and he actually made a lot of submissions saying that what the lady actually wrote on Facebook was lies, or were lies. She didn't say the truth, and it's because of how the breakup came about, or how the relationship ended. That's why he is making all sorts of allegations. And even if he didn't really go through the right ways of breaking up with the lady, or if he indeed dumped the lady, will he actually make his marriage public by letting an influencer like Abner McGee's to post it on his Facebook account, inviting everybody, including the lady herself, to come to the marriage ceremony? No. And according to him also, he said that the lady said that after passing out of the military school 7 months before he actually came back and gave her money. No, he actually passed out 4 months after passing out 4 months, and he sent a lady, of which the lady actually sent back the money to him. And that's, he doesn't have any issue against the lady and all that. Guys, let me not bore you with a lot of words. Can you listen to the interview, and also don't forget to also drop your comments and thoughts on this particular issue below.
I met her one month before airport training. Even time I had dating me now, me catch any say me enlistment. Me call military. Okay. And she can't say 1 month, no. We see 1 month. So 2 weeks time, me kata or can be about soldiers. And my head in a mission. And you can't send you here. Then me call the bag mo. And me enlistment papers no. No. Okay. Say me because we can't say. That was my student. Okay. Now me papers me channel so yearly. But I may have to but finalist in the paper. And Piana me so finalist no minyae. And now me call me mammy home. Me go to Tommy Niamana and I back to Cape Coast or UCC campus. It's me call me back 1 week to 7 and me better training or UCC campus. It uses campus nani one me wo. Okay. And I think your training is 7th October. 6th October, me ko room and no put the infant to change. Maminka, me to me nyama nyina sami buy. Adi oni ni ko ton e socks. Socks na e ko room so guy di be 2-year-old room say. Girl ni girlfriend, I'm betting ni girlfriend. The friend guy ni Muhammad, oni mi be and I'm happy at the place because me because so that me prana me go ombe drop me. Man kashi and me dear. Papa ni kasa say, oh yeah Miguela. Well Miguela in class and no na e ko se via sem no fi. Te me dear me be do fi no na me party me na ni ma me be mu say ni jai. And I say if nyama ya do me call training school. Enti mami obi a me call training school. October, who name me, send me Kosoja, me call it the ISI, me call training school. So, how will you spend that 300 million? I'm in training school. I hear now who did that training me? Training school, military school. Who can you say that 300 million? And see, a true visit to the me, miss money, now I bet hand you no more. Training school I got this month, the visiting was twice, right? One in that scene and then lost this month twice. And then passing out, me sisters, 3, me brother, me brothers, no more buy. They no more be me passing out. Me passing out, no. 4 months and for Mutia Eka, Was it 7 months?
2 months.
Was it 7 months? But it was 4 months. Point of correction. On 24th September. Actually, they now offer me. Say, what actually happened is that offer me say, me police guy are down for me say, me share me person me share no. But soldier who pass out na, you see how ka. It is some more confusion being about no friend. Me say, me be party, me no want to finish it. No person, obe who me want to see what you. It's my country. I was calm. Me can best 5 days time. Me can best 5 days time. Ina mi ko offer me nyamano. Actually, that testing right. Actually, that testing September na ade ni be see no. Ade ni see 1 hour time pepe. Then your back pay me, your first pay me na ba boom. Me wo evidence ne wo. Ena mi ko man ni ma mi 200. Na mi ko visiting, mi ko sra mi ma. Ni ma mi 200 ni ma ni 500 say. Bit man ni di say ni ma mi say so. Opa nkoma no na, onfe yi nyama say. Ido mi shop ni.
Okay.
Ena mi die, mi ko ye. Eti mi ko ye no, onfe ni scanning back 500 ni back to me my account mo.
Yeah, she made mention of it.
Yes. Eti even for my no try can no allow 405 no. You 100 cedis na me dey now keep it 350 no.
Okay.
For 305 no. Na me dey manage me ho. Oh. Open evidence. I have a guy, my bedmate who is here, no evidence. Or driving, and your person, or no super, metro, media, not their family,
So that's why I like if it's not true, then you should also write your side story and say,
I have more. Because we read the comments, we will post, my head, or this Saturday, or I'll say wedding, 30,000. 30,000 meaning the wedding. We decided 30,000 going.
So,
or no, I will need to my own. Who that 30,000? What is that kind of? If they are there, this 2017. Since September 13, 2017, and then, only come, and then I will say, if you pack 3 years ago, no, I said, I will tell me the car, who bet you 30,000. I will need me come. I will need the diameter. 20th September, and
Yeah, so you heard it all from the guy, you've heard the lady as well. What is your take on it? Who do you think is telling the truth here? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, we've come to the end of another episode of the Trends on Social Media show right here on Odate TV. As I always say, follow me on all social media platforms. On Instagram is at odate.jit, and on all other platforms is at odate_jit. My blog is also based with a lot of entertainment news, trending news as well. Log on to www.odatejnews.com for the latest entertainment news and gossip. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.